Welcome to Radio Fixer's channel. Subscribe for upcoming videos. I highly suggest going back and reviewing other parts of this beautiful Zenith radio where we repaired the cabinet without staining the cabinet. We also tested all the resistor and replaced all paper capacitor in this chassis. We discussed how to read and understand the proper connection for electrolytic capacitors on a schematic and how to select safety capacitor and fuse for your radio. In this episode, we're going to focus to remove this dial wheel and create a belt for it and put it back together. So stay tuned. Really, my goal is to create these videos so a brand new person can use the information and be able to get into the hobby. It is really a wonderful hobby and very rewarding to bring back something that totally dead back to life and sing again. Alright, now I need to install the belt that I made right here. It goes between this wheel and this wheel here. Of course, this is not a big deal. It goes around the belt. But here, I have to remove all this. We have to remove the little ring here. You see this one? That needs to come off. Right there. That is close to the on and off switch. This piece, it controls on and off switch. If you look at here, I turn this, you see that move. But the switch doesn't move at all. Switch has a different rod inside. These need to be also loosened up. There's two of them here. There's two of them up here need to be loosened up. So it's a little complicated, but it is doable. This is the first radio that I'm seeing is set up like this. Here there is two shafts inside. You see there's one here in the top. And this is another one, so I need to remove all this. This is for the tuning knob and the wheels. There's two wheels here. I put it in the order that they go inside each other. This is the main one, of course, is a shaft. It has a little clip, it's like a half moon clip like this, which I didn't take this out. So I removed the other side. It's much easier to take it from the end. So the way this works, there's a washer here. This goes right inside. You see it stop. It's not going to go anymore. Then going to be another washer like this. It's like that. Of course, next this. All right, it's going to be installed right here. Then the wheel going to be next and installed this way, like that. Then this washer goes here. This is next. Of course, this clip gonna close this. There's a plastic here in the tip. See right here. So if that come off, make sure to put it back. Another small plastic goes right here, like that. Then here, see this goes to the on and off switch. This side come here. So this is how it goes. Of course, this I'll share with you. It's going to install right here. This is how it needs to be sampled. But now I have to take everything apart, install inside one at a time. This just to give you the idea how everything goes together. And this is a 4mm rubber insulation. Really is pretty soft. See that? And it can stretch as well. So I'm going to use this to make a belt for this radio. As a matter of fact, this can be used for any radio that has a belt. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to measure this to see what size the belt should be. See, that belt goes between here and this wheel. So I'm going to fit this through. I'm going to just stretch it just a little bit, not too much. See, stretch it just a little bit. Mark it. Now I know where I need to cut, right? So let's take it out and cut it. So when I cut this, I'm going to cut it in the angle. Use the razor, cut it in the angle. The reason you cut it in the angle, when you glue them, you have more surface that glue can, hold itself. So then I'm going to look at where I marked. So this is where the mark was. I'm going to go back, cut it shorter, about 1/4 inch. Be a little tighter around the wheel. Okay, as you see, I cut both of them in the angle. When you put them together, it's going to be like that. Alright, so let's glue them. Just a small drop here, each side. Make sure to cover all the surface. Other side as well. And just wait a couple of seconds. See if both has glue. Then of course put them together like that. And hold it a little bit until it dry. Again, the reason we cut it in the angle, so we have more glue connect them together. That's the end result. That's what you will get. So now I can install this inside. Since it's 4mm wide, it will fit perfect in that radio. Hopefully this will help you that you can create your own belts for your radios. Alright, the next is install this. So what I'm doing, I'm lubricating it with this product. It's anti-oxidation or corrosion. This should work. Because I don't want this thing rust out, so I'm gonna lubricate it, put some in cotton swab, then install it. As you notice, when I was taking it apart, I had such a hard time because the thing was rust out. Of course, I removed all the rust. Now it's much cleaner, as you can see. See, there's a shorter cut angle and the longer. The longer stay out, this goes right here like that. You see? So this is how you install it. Then the shorter one goes inside. You can use synthetic grease as well. You can use this. Again, what you're doing, you're using something so this thing does not rust inside. So after this goes in totally, then I'm going to install this little clip right here. Alright, the belt is in and everything is assembled. It was a little tough, especially taking that little, it's like a locking washer. That was pretty tough to put it back. But everything is done. I already lubricate the volume control and lubricate some other part outside. It turns pretty good. See? Very good. So that belt is working very well. Alright? You're not going to believe this. I was trying to take this cap off to change the resistor inside. There is a 1 meg resistor there. Everything fall apart. This fall off, so now I need to figure out how to put this thing back together. Darn. I guess next episode I need to work in this tuning tube. So stay tuned. At this time I want to take the opportunity and thank my subscribers with their uplifting comment. You always encourage me to upload more videos since this is just a hobby of mine. Again, I appreciate you. Enjoy all these videos and you all have an awesome day. Take care. If you're interested to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and you will be notified when new video being uploaded. You have a great day.